traveled this road as a child. Wide-eyed and grinning, she never tired. But now she won't be coming back with the rest. If these are life's lessons, she'll take this test. She needs wide open spaces, room to make her big mistake. She needs new faces. She knows the high stakes. She knows the high stakes. As she packs her things, she feels she left something out. Her friends, her family, her dog, and this house. She turns around to find her old room bare. Looks at the U-Haul, it has to fit in there. And as her folks drive away, her dad yells, "Check the oil." Mom stares out the window, she says, "I'm leaving my girl." She said it did not seem like that long ago, when she stood there and watched her own go. She needed wide open spaces, room to make her big mistake. She needs new faces. She knows the high stakes. She knows the high stakes. Knows the high
Look at those hot dogs.
Good, how are you?
Isn't that something?
Strive to fly so high, find that home up in the sky. Along the ride, you live and learn. Coming home, a safe return upon re-entry. Miles away from home, out of touch, drifting all alone. Everyone just waits for your next move. Everyone is looking up at you upon re-entry. all you had. Didn't leave enough to even get you back. What goes up, it surely must come down. You'll hit hard on hallowed ground upon re-entry.
The Mutt Fest here, and the woman who is singing out there wrote the song for the Dixie Chicks, Wide Open Spaces, and she is from here, Amarillo, the Panhandle. She once lived here, and they're having a Mutt Fest. You see all the dogs. We have beautiful day in which to have it upon. Woman has wonderful tattoos over there. Got all kinds of little dogs here, and here's a booth. Look at this dog. Oh, this one is like a horse coming along this way. Look at this. Oh my God, look at that. It's so big, the dog. Oh wow. And here's a collie. Here's Lassie.
No, this is a show team.
Oh really?
Say hi.
Oh, what a nice little doggy, huh?
Thank you.
Very nice festivals going on today. We have all kinds of dogs out here. Oh, what a great day to have it on. It's absolutely beautiful. We got music.
Turned it on.
Party stop.
Okay, you're on.
Doing the drink.
All right, I'm here at the Mutt Fest, and the woman who wrote Wide Open Spaces, what's her name?
Susan Gibson.
Susan Gibson is here. And the Dixie Chicks had a big hit with
And then
that.
of course this.
And it's just a lovely affair out here, and the temperatures are just great. And I've been trying to, do the whole park, but I think I did a good job in showing you this lovely little park. I don't think I've ever brought you to this park just yet, have I?